Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining how you guys can go ahead and get yourself fire department clothing and paramedic clothing. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So firstly, you can get the emergency vehicle and dealership once again. Okay, if you go into emergency, you can get these three emergency vehicles. Okay, it depends what you want. Okay, so I explained that in the last video, so I don't need to do another explanation. So let's get to the fire department and show you where the clothings are. I'm gonna be using Ford Vision. Let's see what happens. So if you didn't watch the last video where I showed how you guys go ahead and get the police clothing, you can go ahead and watch that, okay, for police clothing. But this video is gonna be for fire department and paramedic. And yeah, let's get right into the department. So over here, when you come over here, you guys can see three types of clothing. So this is for like I think this is for like paramedic, and these two are for fire departments. Okay, so yeah, that's how you guys can go ahead and get yourself these clothings if you want to. I hope you guys got to know how you guys can get these clothings, and yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day.